how to use one for all on aSOS. So here's a step-by-step explanation for your easiness. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in the first step, you need to check your one for all balance. You must ensure your gift card has sufficient funds for your aSOS purchase. And after that, you need to visit aSOS by going to the aSOS official website or app and select the items you want to buy. And then you need to proceed to checkout by clicking on the checkout once your items are in the shopping bag. And then you have to, in the step 4, you have to check for the payment method, that is select Visa MasterCard as the payment method. And in the step 5, use your one for all gift card details, that with your all card number, expiry date like CVV, like a regular debit or credit card. And in the step 6, you need to adjust the amount. Ensure the purchase amount is equal to or less than the gift card balance. And finally, in the step 7, you just need to complete the payment by confirming your payment to finish the order. So hope this video was helpful, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.